Mani po na sari-saring reaksyon ng pahayag ni Senadora Cynthia Villar tungkol sa unlimited rice promo sa mga kainan.
Pagbawal na natin yung unlimited rice. So, kasi nagkakasakit tayo gawa ng unlimited rice na yan. We should learn how to eat vegetable.
Kaugnay po niya, makakasap natin Senador Villar. Senador, good morning.
Good morning, Igan,
Opo.
and good morning, Rhea and Ivan. And
Opo.
good morning din sa ating mga tagapakinig.
Inasahan niyo ba yung reaksyon na ito ng netizen po sa pahayag na yan tungkol sa Unli Rice, Senadora?
Tayo po ay naghihiring po kami sa Senado tungkol sa NFA at saka dun sa importation of rice. It was just a side comment kasi dinidiscuss namin yung consumption of rice.
Opo.
And it's a side comment sa akin dahil hindi naman din healthy na marami tayong kinakain na rice. Kasi pag, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Opo.
Pag marami tayong rice, dumadami ang ating sugar sa blood. At pag tayo maraming sugar sa blood, nagiging diabetic tayo. Pag tayo naging diabetic, hindi natin na-manage, nagma-malfunction yung ating major organ and it can cause death. Yun lang it's a health side comment. Siyempre siguro mga Pilipino, talaga mahilig sila kumain ng rice. Ayaw nila na ma-advisean sila na anything too much is unhealthy.
So, dililinaw lang natin, hindi ito official statement, kundi side comment lang.
It's a side comment tungkol sa consumption ng rice at hindi po namin pinag-uusapan na ibaba ng unlimited rice.
Oo
Wala
naman.
po ganon. We're talking of the amendment to the NFA Charter at saka yung production and consumption of rice to determine kung ano ang i-import nating rice. It's just a health side comment for Filipinos.
Senador, pwede ho, si Ivan po ito, good morning. Pakipaliwanag ho, yung nabanggit ninyo na ito hong rice consumption at saka itong rice self-sufficiency, ano hong kaugnayan?
Kasi po, dinidetermine namin ano yung ban ng importation. Ibig sabihin, ano ba range dapat ng importation? Kasi to make a range, you have to determine yung ating production ng rice. In fact, we traced the production of rice from 2001 to 2016 at ano yung consumption ng rice from 2001 to 2016. And we determined yung difference. Kasi siyempre, consumption minus production is importation, di ba? We import it kasi hindi tayo self-sufficient rice. So we are determining the amount of importation plus yung gusto nilang buffer stock which is around 15 days pag rainy month and 30 days for lean month. So we were computing how much we should import para magka-idea ang mga tao na ano ba yung reasonable importation of rice at saka kung kailan nila balak maging self-sufficient in rice.
Ang punto po, we import only what we need. Ganun po, ano?
Yes. Para kasi palaging may discussion on how much to import. And nakikita natin na they are importing more than what we need. And then at the same time, yung impact ng smuggling on the supply of rice. Kasi pag sumobra po ang import natin ng rice plus smuggling, that is to the detriment of our farmers, diba? Babagsak ang presyo ng rice. Pag kumulang naman, that is to the detriment of the consumer kasi mamahal naman ang rice. So we have to strike a balance between the welfare of the farmers and the consumer. Kaya pinag-uusapan namin to once and for all para hindi tayo naguguluhan ano ba itong level of importation dapat.
Bakit ito lagi sumusobra nga yung importation ng yung bigas natin, yung metric tons?
Di mali po yung computation nila. And
sadyang minamali.
ito lang namin to set a range para hindi tayo na-worry na ma-over or ma-undersupply. Yun ang gusto naming ma-determine. Kaya kami nag-hearing. And at the same time, if there are provision ng NFA Charter na mali, kasi matagal na po itong ginawa, iba na panahon ngayon, So we can make the necessary amendment.
Opo. At hindi na maging ugat pa ng korupsyon.
Opo, yun po. Kaya gusto natin na malinaw.
Okay. Senador, maraming salamat. Mag-rise na tayo.
Maraming salamat, Igan,
Salamat.
Rhea, and Ivan. Maraming
Thank you, Senator.
salamat.
Senator Cynthia Villar po, Chairman ng Senate Committee on Agriculture.